Guess who's opening up her own Sephora store? Oh my god, I feel like Jeffree Star. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to my freaking channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys are old, welcome freaking back. We're in day 3 of self-isolation. And as you guys know, I have been working on the situation that is inside of my hoarding room. I have this massive makeup collection, and so in today's video I am finally going to be just organizing every single thing. This is my last day of doing this. If you guys haven't seen part 1 or part 2 yet, make sure you guys go see that before you guys watch the rest of this video. But I pretty much just tore apart my hoarding room, dumped all of my makeup on the floor, and I'm starting to organize it. And we are 75% organized, so I'm just organizing the last 25% of my makeup collection. And PS, there is going to be a giveaway in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the very end. And I asked you guys in my last video if I should actually sell my items on Poshmark and then donate it to Feeding America and other local shelters. You guys all said yes, so by the time you guys are watching this, I am going to be having some mystery boxes on my Depop and my Poshmark. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is kind of the situation we have ourselves in. I have so many products that I'm currently keeping, but I am going to be doing a second edit, so I will look through all of these boxes once again. So here is the pile of stuff that we now have. I will say this is like 25% of the pile that we had 2 days ago, and it just looks amazing. I am running out of space for like my donate pile because a lot of the things are getting filled. This is just bronzer, blush, and highlighters. This is my first skincare bucket. This is my second skincare bucket, as you guys can see, very full. And this is all of foundations, concealers, and primers. We have all body care, so lotions, body sprays, body washes. This is all the lipsticks I'm donating. Then we have all of the brushes and tools that I'm donating there. This is the pile of stuff I'm throwing away because it's been used or it's half gone. Hi, so right now what I'm doing is I am filling this bucket up with things that I don't want, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I filled up this entire box. So now I'm gonna recategorize it into the donation piles. Okay, let's see how good I am at throwing. I've been pretty good. Yes, a lot of you guys commented saying that I probably broke a lot of the eye palettes. I would just like to say I did not break one eye palette from dumping it on the floor. If it's like a skincare box like this, it's totally gonna survive a quick little throw. So we're gonna play this game. Let's see if I can make it, because I'm pretty bad at throwing and catching. I love this stuff right here. This is a Peach and Lily Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask, but I literally have 4 boxes of this, so this is gonna go in the skincare pile. All right, 1 for 1 mask. Oh my god, I totally missed. This is the Fresh Rose Facial Toner, something I also love, but do I need another one of these when I have like 2 more? Probably not. Oh, I made it. Let's see, 3 for 3. Let's see, highlighter. Will I? Oh, yes, yes. All right, concealer goes in that pile. Woo! Lipstick. No! Dang it, that's the trash pile. Round 2. No. No! I was trying to make it fun for myself, but I give up because I don't want to ruin anything. All right, my eye donation pile is literally overfilled. So right now I need to go and look for another bag or something to put it all in. So let's take this adventure together, because I think it's time for me to finally leave this room. Oh my god, it's literally a maze getting out of here. I have to like squeeze because it doesn't open. Where can I find another box? Ooh, I think I found something. Let's see if it'll fit through the door though. Okay, how do I do this? Oh man, okay. I'm in, I made it. All right, little update here. Holy cow, I'm like 90% done. Yes. you guys need to see this little update that I have going on right now. So this is what everything looks like. So as you can see, I still have a pile of stuff right here, and I cannot believe how much skincare is there. So as you guys can tell, I'm a skincare hoe, and I think what I'm gonna do is I am gonna combine these two boxes of hair products together, so I have one more box I can use for skincare. For me, it's skincare first, then makeup, and I just cannot believe I have to part ways with all of this amazing skincare. I'm opening my own Sephora store. I am literally done organizing everything. I do have a pile of skincare products that won't fit in these boxes. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my second edit. So I do want to combine some of my makeup products together. I know I'm gonna probably be expanding my skincare products because it just makes me happy. I find joy in skincare. In the words of Marie Kondo, if you find joy in it, keep it. Organize my first drawer. Look at this. There's so much room. I can definitely stick more stuff in there, but the goal is to actually use this stuff and not get any more. And after my second edit, this is everything that I took out. I was really tempted to keep these voluminous Lash Paradise mascaras because these are hands down my favorite mascara ever. And all of these are not in their boxes, but they're all unused, unopened. So all of these mascaras in here are unused. I have a couple of eyeshadows that I put in here as well, and a lot of lash glues and lash strips, and a couple of eyebrow products, and I'm excited to put them in the permanent donate pile. Oh, she is heavy. All right, first box to go inside. Yay! Oh my gosh. That makes me so happy. Also, this thing is kind of scary as a skeleton. And a lot of you guys ask me where this is from. It's actually from Urban Outfitters. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link for you guys down below. All right, the next pile of stuff I am gonna focus on is my foundation products. I don't need that many. So let's go and sort these out. It is almost 5 p.m. I am taking a lunch break. I didn't eat until now because I have just been doing this. I have organized 5 out of the 15. I have been counting everything that I'm going to be keeping. I'm kind of curious to see what percentage of everything did I give away. I also want to break it down by what my new makeup collection is going to look like. What percentage is it going to be moisturizers, eyeshadows, palettes, lipsticks, etc. Yes, thank you Matthew for making me food. He made me this bagel, and if it wasn't for him, I probably won't be eating until 7. I just had to take a little break. My back is actually killing me right now. I am not sitting in the best position to be doing this. Oh my god, I got a kink in my neck already. So these are all the tools that I'm planning on keeping, aka brushes. And then the goal is to do this section next, and then skincare is last. Really dark outside. It's like 7 p.m. right now. So I decided to bring my little makeup mirror into this room. So this is all that I have left to organize, and once I organize all of these, I have to count everything that I'm also giving away. So far, I counted about 2/3 of the things that I'm keeping. All right, before we get on with this video, I just want you guys to give me a guess. Guess how many pieces of items I'm going to be keeping in these drawers. Let me know down below. Give me your final answers. Holy crap, guys! I finally finished! Oh my god. I have been doing this since 12 p.m. It is currently 9:30. That took 9.5 hours, but I did it. I freaking did it. Oh my god, I did it. 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 How did that happen? Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of what my skincare boxes look like. So this is my first skincare box. This is moisturizers and eye creams and essences. I have 5 essences, and then I just have a bunch of other stuff in here as well. This is my oils and serums drawer, plus 1 exfoliate because I didn't see her till really late, so now she ended up in this box because she doesn't fit in the other box. But these are all of my serums and oils. I really love how this box looks. And then this box right here is all of my acne products, SPF products, and toners. Holy cow. So my next step for this video is I need to count out everything that I'm donating. So that's gonna be very exciting. I feel like I should just like watch a video or a movie while I'm doing this because it's probably gonna take me like another hour or 2 to do all of that because I have so many products I'm giving away. Let me just show you guys how beautiful this floor looks. I mean, it could look better, but I am so happy with how clean the floors are right now. I mean, it's still messy, but if you guys remembered a few days ago, it looked crazy. And I think out of all of these drawers, my favorite drawer is probably the lips drawer. Oh wait, why does it look messy already? So as you guys can see, I kept a lot of lipsticks, and I kept a lot of lipsticks from the same collection because this packaging is so pretty that I think I'm actually gonna use this as room decor once I have this hoarding slash beauty room all set up. But for now, it's just gonna go in here. Also, these tubes are really pretty as well. They look like little pillowcases. But for the rest of the colors, these are all colors that I genuinely liked. Tried not to keep any colors I wasn't going to wear. I have a bunch of lip balms back here, a little bit of lip liners here, but for the most part, all of these were colors I wanted. Let's see, what is another satisfying? This isn't very satisfying, but here are all the products that I kept that are bronzers and blushes. I kept a lot of blushes because I currently don't love the color of blush that I'm using right now. I need to look through all of these colors and see which ones I want to try out. Honestly, I might try out this saucy one from Kaja. They have literally the cutest packaging. It just reminds me of school supplies. I don't know why, but in the best way possible. I have a lot of body glitters and highlighters and things like that. I also kept a couple of highlighters that I know I'm not gonna ever use, but the packaging was so cute that I just wanted to keep it. This is my foundation and concealer and setting powder drawer. Again, I just kept colors that were in my shade. I tried not to keep anything that wasn't in my shade. These are all of the eye products. I still need to count out all of these products that are in here. I haven't done that yet. This is all of my body care products, so lotions, body sprays, deodorants. These are all my eye palettes. Currently, it just looks like I have 1 eye palette, but that's because this freaking James Charles Morphe palette does not fit in here. Oh no. But once you open it up, it is so satisfying. That's so pretty. Then I have my cleansers and masks. And then down here, I have my shampoos and hair masks. This is more hairstyling products and hair ties and bobby pins and stuff like that. Then in here, I have all of my brushes and tools. And then I have all of these perfumes laying out in front. They did not fit in these drawers. For me, perfume bottles are so pretty. So my goal is to actually open all of these up and use it as home decor pieces. I'm currently watching Love is Blind, and my next move is to literally count every single piece of item. Update here, it is currently 5 a.m. I have spent the last 7 hours counting every single thing that is currently in the donate pile. It looks crazy. I also cleaned up a little bit. 2 days ago, my floor was completely filled with makeup. Now she is nice, she's organized. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look, I can walk. Hello. Yes, this is me walking around. I am so delirious because it's freaking 5 a.m. Thursday morning. 5 a.m. I was really dedicated to making sure you guys didn't have to sit through a 4th day of me cleaning the hoarding room. Although thinking about it, I was supposed to like decorate the hoarding room, but it ended up being me just organizing the hoarding room. So you guys will see in the next few days more updates about the hoarding room. It currently looks nothing like I want it to look like. Oh my god, I just got a sale. So I started out this 3-part series with 2,622 makeup slash beauty slash hair slash nail products. That is actually freaking insane. I'm a Sephora store. Sephora, I'm coming for your brand. Ulta, watch out. Your girl Tiff has her store inside her house. So out of the 2,622 products that I started out with, I am keeping 738 products. You see this girl? She can fit a whole lot of makeup in there. Out of the 2,622 products, I am donating 1,720 of those products. That is literally almost 2/3 of my entire collection that I had 2 days ago. It's a free-for-all. Anyone who wants to come by and get makeup, come on over. Friends, come on over. Boys, come on over. Grandparents, come on over. Out of all of those products, I am throwing away 67 products. And then I have 97 items that are in my personal private collection. But I wanted to go down deeper into the statistics of my makeup collection. Out of everything I am keeping, the biggest category, surprisingly, was eye products. 147 products. My next largest category was lip products, and I am keeping 136 products. My next biggest category is skincare products, and I am keeping 116 skincare products because I'm a skincare hoe. Apparently, I'm also a eye product hoe and a freaking lip product hoe. My next biggest category is brushes and tools with a whopping total of 77 products, bronzers and cheeks. 67 products, foundations and setting powders, 50 products, body care, 47 products, hair products, that is 35 products, primers and setting sprays, 29 products, Lush Cosmetics, 26 products, and my last category, surprisingly, was nails with a whopping total of 8 products. 8. And that is all 738 products I'm keeping. I forgot I am doing 3 massive makeup slash skincare giveaways. So I am giving away 3 boxes filled with at least $1,000 worth of makeup and skincare. So the first box is just gonna be purely makeup products. The second box is gonna be purely skincare products. And the third box is gonna be a combination of both makeup and skincare products. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber of mine. Also follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa and comment down below which one of these boxes you guys want to win. And a bonus points is if you guys made it to the end of the video, and comment of the video is how many hours of sleep did you get last night. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Also like this video if you guys are entering this giveaway so that I know you guys like these types of giveaways. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye. Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.